Hello everyone from Frontier Van, and what the hell is going on? Holy crap. All this crap, it's like raining in the van. I'm confused. I don't get it. Okay, good morning boys and girls. So you can see here a small group practicing Tai Chi. They're taking a break, but anyways, I'm quite proud of myself because I had no clue what they're doing, what style they're doing, but I just took the initiative and hey, here's my chance. I'm just gonna jump in and follow them. And yeah, hold on a sec. Let me get organized here. Yeah, I just took a chance. I jumped in. I don't know what style they're doing. It's similar to styles I have done, but I was able to keep up with them. Some of the moves are similar, but there's variations of what they're doing. Very subtle differences on the way they hold their postures and the way they do their forms. But anyways, I kept up. After their first set, a couple of them, they kind of looked at me. Oh, you know Tai Chi? And then they were all talking to each other in Chinese, and they kind of were shaking their head and nodding at me that, wow, you know, I could see that they're pretty impressed. So then I stayed for 2 more sets, so I was probably there 20 minutes. I didn't want to crash their party. The group itself was quite happy to have me there. The instructor didn't look too pleased. Usually structuring in Tai Chi is the more experienced ones start up front and the beginners in the back. And I jumped in at the back, obvious. And then one of the ones on the front line, she says, oh, you can have my spot. And I said, no, thank you. I appreciate it, but I will follow you. So yeah, very interesting session. I enjoyed it. So, oh well, I have to do that more. Tai Chi crashing. First there was a movie, Wedding Crashers, Party Crashers, and whatever. Now there's going to be Chucky and the Tai Chi Crashers. And I should also say that I'm pretty tired out. It's 9:30 in the morning. I got off work at 6, so I've been up for quite a bit. Yeah, yesterday, I've been up since yesterday around 3 in the afternoon. So I'm ready. I'm tired. This is where I'm going to sleep today, tonight, whatever you call it, right by the community center here. And I can pick up Wi-Fi, so yeah. So anyways, yeah, like I said, a lot of fun. So, okay, good night, peace out. Yes, good morning from the Frontier Van. We're doing some cooking, so check this out. Hey, good looking, what you got cooking? We got some rice on, and we're gonna make a wrap. So I had a subscriber comment he'd like to see what I make in the van, so this is it. I got some lightly cooked beans, green pepper, onion. And for salsa sauce, I'm going to put salsa sauce over it. I made this a couple days ago, probably 2-3 days ago. And I'm going to add a bit of, I've got an avocado, so I'm going to add that into my sauce. And should work out pretty good, I think. So here's what I made this sauce out of. Diced tomatoes, chili style. And I added a little bit of cilantro and a little bit of, what else did I add in there? I forgot already. Yeah, mostly cilantro, and I'm going to add this. And that's what we're going to use to put in it. Oh, and I add a little bit of extra hot sauce because I like it spiced up sometimes. And voila, the masterpiece is completed. Ha ha. Yeah, it looks good. And don't forget, coffee. I usually don't put any cream in my coffee, but this time I tried just 1 teaspoon of... You know what? I swear that February is the coldest month here in Vancouver, because every time it gets cold and snows. Apparently it's supposed to get to -9, possibly -10 by the end of this weekend. Alright, boys and girls, happy Wednesday morning. I am finished work, going back to the van, and yeah, it's officially been 3 months since I've been in Vancouver. The longest I've ever been here in this city, and it's had its challenges, personal challenges, and cold challenges. What else can I say? Personally, I wish my videos were more about van stuff, how the challenges to live in the van and stuff like that. Hold on, there's a truck coming out. Yeah, too noisy for so I tried to save you guys that. So yeah, actually interesting, I just spotted something. You gotta check this out, hold on. Yeah, check this out. This is right in a residential neighborhood, and he's parked out here. Holy crap. I don't want to disturb him. He's got gas, oil, steps. Wow, crazy. Huh. And interesting, I don't know, he's got a cord hooked up to the battery of his truck. Crazy. Wow, that's quite a setup. Yeah, sorry, I just had to show you that. I'm like right in the middle of a residential area, and there's some kind of mosque here and a couple businesses. I really wasn't expecting that. Wow, I can't believe he gets away with it. But you know, with the housing crunch the way it is, yeah. Anyways, yeah, I've been here 3 months. It's been great, but I wish I would have filmed different things for you guys. Maybe a little more of the surroundings and that. So I guess I'm here to ask you, what would you guys like to see in van living and van lifestyle? What you would like to see on a day-by-day basis that I do. I don't have the money to van build yet, but maybe you want to see Vancouver, the city, or just some of the challenges of van life, like cold weather. Yeah, besides the cord running to his car's or truck battery, he also has a generator on the back of his truck. So he's got a full outfit there. Wow. Hey you all, happy Valentine's Day, and thank you very much for watching my videos, and until next time, remember, stay awesome.